I don't know about you, but I like potatoes. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how I make my mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. Yep. So come on, let's get cooking. All right, so I have 4 russet potatoes. I'm just going to peel them. All right, so I got my potatoes peeled. Now I'm just going to cut them. I cut them in half and then slice them. Okay, so I'm going to get these all chopped up and see you in a bit. All right, I have them all rinsed and peeled. Now I'm just going to get 1 cup of water. So I got my cup of water, just pouring it in there. Then I'm going to get some salt, and I'm just going to, this is pink Himalayan salt, so I'm just going to pour it in there, give it a stir. Now you can use a spoon, I'm just using my hands, and then over to the Instant Pot we go. Now, make sure you push it to the seal, and then I'm going to turn mine on, hit manual, and I cook it for 7 minutes, and then it will automatically start. I'll see you back when they're done. Alright, so the Instant Pot just went off. So now I'm going to hit the release of the steam. And we'll let those release, and then I'll show you what I do next. Alright, so the seal thing, whatever that's called, just went down. So now you're able to open up your Instant Pot. Now, I like to sit mine right here, my lid. Let me go get my knife, and let's check to make sure. Oh yeah. All right, to the sink we go to drain them. Now normally, there's hardly any water that comes out. Now see, I put in a cup of water and nothing came out. Or if it did, it was very little. So I just put it right back into the Instant Pot. Okay, now that my potatoes are done, I'm just mashing them in my Instant Pot with my masher. And then I'm going to use West soy milk. I just pour it in there. And then I mash away. Sometimes it might be lumpy. And then I taste it to see how consistency is pretty good. And I only needed a little bit of milk. There's my mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. Alright, so that's how I do it. Now it's your turn to go out there and make them and see how you enjoy them. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.